All right, y'all, here's another one, chicken fried rice. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Taste and See with D. So in this recipe, you want to start off with day-old white rice. Day-old white rice. All right, so here are my ingredients. I have the chicken chopped up. I have an egg. I have my mixed vegetables, peas and carrots, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, and green onions. So yeah, I'm just adding my vegetables and then my chicken together. And then I'm gonna add some seasonings to it in order to get the flavor that I want in my chicken fried rice. You don't have to use the flavoring or the seasoning that I use. You can use the ones that you like. But first I'm gonna start off with a little soy sauce, little ginger, and for heat, I'm going to add my red pepper flakes. Gotta have some heat. Next, a little bit of garlic. Okay, so after this cooks down for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to strain it to get all of the juices out of it. Now on high heat, I'm going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add my vegetable and chicken mixture. All right, you hear that sizzle? We are cooking now. All right, so for my egg, I'm going to make a little hole in the center and then add my egg. Once the egg firms up just a little bit, I'm going to start mixing it, scrambling it. Once it fully firms up, I'm going to incorporate it with the mixture. Okay. So I'm really cooking right now. I just want y'all to know it. Now I'm going to add my white rice. This is about 2 cups of white rice. And I'm going to just mix it all together. What's great about this dish is that you can add any ingredient that you want. That was a little bit more of the soy sauce going in. You can add more or less of the soy sauce depending on the taste that you're looking for. And I'm just mixing it together. And to top it off, I could not have fried rice without green onions. To me, fried rice has to have green onions. Okay, so there you have it, chicken fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you use this recipe. Be sure that if you are not a subscriber, to please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and please definitely share it. See you again on another episode of Taste and See with D.